Hi everyone, I'm Ida. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw an eyebrow with only one pencil. So let's get started. Before drawing eyebrows, you should learn to draw lines perfectly. I want you to draw lines that are thin in both ends and thick in the middle. To do this, you should reduce your hand pressure at the beginning and end of the line and increase your hand pressure in the middle of the line. Draw lines with different thickness. Draw thin lines and thick lines. Try to draw these lines in different directions. Right to left, left to right, up to down, and down to up. But eyebrow hairs aren't always straight, and they are usually curved. So we draw curved lines either. Draw curved lines in different directions. Don't draw parallel lines. It's not natural. Draw a few lines in a group. This is a basic shape of the eyebrow. Draw lines from down to up for the head or the front of the eyebrow. Draw lines from left to right in the middle of the eyebrow, or right to left for the opposite eyebrow. Draw lines from up to down for the tail. And draw lines from inside of the eyebrow to the outside for under the arc. And do the same for upside of the peak. Now let's start drawing. I drew the basic shape of the eyebrow. Now I draw the lines that we practiced before. Some parts of eyebrow have thick hair, but some parts have thin hair, like the head of the eyebrow. You should notice that and draw thinner lines for this part. It would be more natural to draw some overlapping lines. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe to watch more videos like this. Enjoy drawing!